Look at those layers. We got oats. We got almond milk. We've got Greek yogurt. We've got chia seed, honey, cherries, unpitted. Wait. Again. Nice. Number 1. Ooh, that sound. Number 2. You can only do 4 at a time, ladies and gents. We're gonna shake her up. We're gonna unseal her up. Hi, Violet. We're gonna get a little bit more in this here. That's a little too much. We're just gonna pour her there. That's nice. 1/3 cup. Ask me what's next.
What's next?
I don't know. I haven't made these since high school. 1/2 cup plain Greek yogurt. Here we come over here. We're gonna get her hair over here. Alright. We're gonna get 1/2 cup. Shake it a little. Oh God. It says to use 2%, but I use non-fat. Ask me why.
Why?
I don't know. That's what I've always thought. I feel like it's like, hey, less fat the better, you know what I mean?
Right.
Jelly bean. There. There we go. About 1/2 cup. What's your favorite type of Greek yogurt? 2%? Non-fat? Vanilla? The ones with the sugar inside of them? Might as well just have ice cream. Just have ice cream for breakfast, huh? Do we sometimes have Chinese food for breakfast when I'm in New York? Sure. But today I'm in Dallas. Sometimes you think you want to lick the spoon until it's plain Greek yogurt with no sugar in it. And then you think, better not. It's really nasty. Okay, so I don't really normally always measure this because you know what? I have an eye. 1/2 tablespoon. We're just gonna We're gonna put a little honey. You know what else I like in this that they don't tell you to put on? Cinnamon. Tells me not to. I mean, doesn't tell me not to, just isn't included on the recipe. I put a little bit too much chia seed for the recipe, but I like it, and that's my business. 1/2 tablespoon. Here we go. This is creamy and delicious. This has your protein. This will keep you full. If you have hypoglycemia like I do, unfortunately, you know, by God's graces, I've been healed quite a bit from it. But, you know, every once in a while, still have a day or two, you know? This is the part we have all come for. Right here. Right here. Just the cherries, we're just gonna put some. What's gonna happen is overnight there's gonna be a magical transformation in the jar. And the cherries are gonna defrost in the jar. And tomorrow morning, they're gonna be ready to eat. And it's gonna be so filling and so nutritious. You're gonna be so full into lunch. So full, you're gonna be so full into lunch. Don't tell anyone. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That's it. Just a little bit. Ready to go. Ready to go. Now, do you see this? I mean, do you see the layers? Look at those layers. All right, well, cheers.